Are you ready to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence and start earning $300 to $1,000 per day? Well, get ready because today we are going to show you how to leverage the power of AI and turn high quality YouTube video scripts into profitable businesses with affiliate marketing. This is not something you want to take advantage of. Imagine having an AI assistant generate captivating scripts for YouTube videos in minutes. Scripts that will keep your viewers engaged and coming back for more. Sounds incredible, right? Stick around because we are about to reveal the secret to making it happen. Welcome back, my aspiring AI entrepreneurs. If you're interested in making money online with AI, you are in the right place. Today, you want to make introduce you to a game-changing technology called ChatGPT. This cutting-edge AI model has revolutionized the digital landscape and now it's your turn to harness its power. But before we will sign up for a free account on openai.com, this is the platform you need to access ChatGPT and its advanced script generation capabilities. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. You need this platform that you have your OpenAI account. Let's put ChatGPT to work. With this incredible tool, generating a script that has never been easier. Just tell the AI what you want your video to be about, whether it's the benefits of doing push ups every day or the secrets to growing a successful garden. ChatGPT will take care of the rest, providing you with a complete script tailored to your needs. But a script is just the beginning. To truly captivate your audience, you need visually stunning videos. That's where Nvidia comes in. Simply copy and paste your script into Nvidia and watch as this AI technology works its magic, transforming your words into an eye catching video that perfectly aligns with your script. It's like having your own professional video production team at your fingertips. Now that you have a captivating video, it's time to monetize your content. Head over to clickbank.com, the go to online marketplace for affiliate marketers. Join Clickbank, explore their vast product selection, and choose a product that complements the theme of your YouTube video. This is your ticket to earning commissions. Finally, it's time to promote the product through your YouTube video. Include a link to the product in your video's description and showcase it during your video. Encourage your viewers to click on the link and take advantage of the amazing product you have chosen. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Congratulations, my fellow AI enthusiasts. By following these steps, you are well on your way to unleashing the power of AI and watching your online earnings soar. But where are you choosing amazing product? In the video description, you will find a link to a full tutorial providing you with even more detailed guidance on this lucrative journey. Plus, you will remember to grab our free Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Guide pinned in the comments below. It's packed with tips and tricks to help you make hundreds of dollars every day. Thank you for joining us today and discovering the incredible power of AI. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video valuable. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, keep harnessing the potential of AI and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our end screens for more amazing videos and resources to fuel your AI journey. Just click on one of the options daily remembering your screen right now. Happy exploring!